Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. My name is Samuel. In this video, I want to explain more about Radian Measure in trigonometry. Let us consider a circle with the radius r and an arc PQ whose length is x. This arc PQ subtends an angle at the center equal to theta. We want to derive an expression for finding the length x. Now, we know that the circumference of a circle with the radius r is equal to 2 pi r. But x is a fraction of that circumference. So in that case, we find that x is equal to 2 pi r times the angle that the arc subtends divided by 360. So x is equal to 2 pi r times theta over 360. When you simplify this, you get x is equal to pi r theta over 180. Now, we want to consider a case whereby this length x is equal to the radius r. What will be the angle? Let's proceed. When x is equal to r, the radius of the circle, then r, the length r, is equal to the same thing, is equal to pi r theta over 180. So instead of x, we have r, the radius here. This length is of the same size as the radius. So x, which is now r, is equal to pi r theta divided by 180. Now, if we divide both sides by r divided by r, you get 1 is equal to pi r theta divided by 180 times r. You get pi theta over 180. So r takes this form. This is the value for r. When simplified, we find that 1 is equal to pi theta over 180. Now we want to find this angle. Okay, when the arc is the same length as the radius. So we can multiply both sides by 180 here. So 1 times 180 is equal to pi theta. So when you make theta the subject of the equation, we find that theta is equal to 180 divided by pi. So theta, this angle is equal to 180 divided by pi. And we know the value of pi, usually 22 out of 7 or 3.142 approximately. So this angle theta is equal to 180 divided by pi, which is equal to 1 radian. If you simplify this using a calculator, for instance, you will get theta is equal to 57.29 degrees. So this is 1 radian. So this angle, 57 degrees, is the angle subtended by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of that circle. So if this r is, let's say, 10 centimeters, and the angle is 57.29 degrees, then the radius will also be 10 centimeters. So that's how that is the value of theta, which is equal to 1 radian. All right. Now let's see how we can convert between degrees and radians. To convert radians into degrees, we multiply by 180 over pi. Because we saw that this is what we found out, that 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees over pi. Right? 2 radians will be 180 over pi times 2, and so on. So multiply 180 divided by pi times what you have been given. Okay, if you are converting radians into degrees, you multiply the number of radians times 180 over pi. If you are converting degrees into radians, you multiply by pi out of 180. All right? Let's look at an exercise. Convert 30 degrees into radian measure. So 30 degrees would be 30 times pi out of 180. You get pi over 6 radians. To convert 5 out of 12 pi radians into degrees, we multiply 5 pi over 12 radians times 180 divided by pi. So when you simplify this, you will get 75 degrees. So this is how you can convert between radians and degrees. Alright? So I hope this video has been of value to you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, Samuel Academy, to be able to see more videos in mathematics, physics, chemistry, geography, weather, and surveying. Thank you so much.